How to use Interactive Brokers paper trading. To start paper trading on Interactive Brokers, open a live account, register and complete verification on the IBKR website. Enable paper trading. In the client portal, go to Settings, Account Settings, and create a paper trading account. Install Trading Platform, download Trader Workstation, TWS, or use the client portal. Log into paper account, open TWS or client portal, select paper trading, and log in with your paper account ID. Explore the interface, customize and get familiar with the tools and features. Place trades, simulate trades by buying and selling assets. Review performance, use reports to analyze and improve your strategies. You're ready to practice trading with virtual funds. Thanks for watching.